What is that thing?
What up, YouTube? We're back with another episode of...
What is that thing?
What is that thing? What is that thing? Okay, in today's episode, we have this machine. But to remind the viewers, what is that thing about? And what do we do here?
So you're supposed to bring objects and we're supposed to figure out what it is. And tell it to
our viewers. Hold on, Franco. Ready? So what we do in this series is I have a bunch of retro gadgets and I see if these kids can figure out how to use it or what it is. So in this case, what is this thing? Actually, you can guess first.
It's a radio.
That was easy.
Good job, but what kind of radio?
Like a gray one with all those objects on it.
Okay, but how do you play this radio?
What do you press?
Music, and then if you do it, you press it, and then you.
Okay, try to turn it on. No.
Wait,
No.
Is this a red thing?
No.
What is it?
Figure it out.
You gotta figure it out.
Yeah, let's see.
Is it this?
I don't know, try.
No.
No, close. Okay, so let's let Logan have a turn.
No,
So what kind of radio is this?
A boombox.
Ah, what kind of boombox? Does it have a name?
A Panasonic.
Panasonic boombox. Okay. So you know it's a radio. That's excellent. That's actually correct. It is a radio, but it's also something else.
My antenna.
So what is this?
Antenna.
Antenna?
Antenna.
What is? Okay, good. So it's an antenna. Good. What does an antenna do? Do you know? You use it to drive? No, it's not. What do you think this is for?
It's a phone like this.
To get like connection or something?
Yeah, connection. Like what kind of connection?
The internet.
My humble invention has finally come to fruition. Behold, the age of the internet. The internet is the most powerful information sharing tool ever devised. And do you know what most humans use it for?
I do, but I don't think I can say it.
Surprisingly, no, Pinky.
No, you don't get the internet with this antenna. So radios have a transmitter, right? A transmitter that, radio stations transmit signals, and then this antenna receives those signals so you can hear the music and the radio. So what do you have in your hand right now? What are you playing with?
A music thing that we put in here.
I want to see it.
What kind of music thing? What does it say? Show the viewers what it is.
What is it?
They probably can't see it. It's blurry maybe. Let me see. Bring it back. Can you read?
Guys and rises use your illusion.
Can I
No.
have it?
One.
Oh, can I
That's
see
pretty
it?
wrong. Logan, you know how to read.
It's so hard because they're like so squished.
What does it say?
Oh, Guns and Roses use your illusion.
Yeah. So Guns N' Roses. That's the name of the artist. It's a band. It's a rock band. So how do you think you get this? Do you know what this music thing is called?
A chord.
A chord? No, it's not a chord.
Oh, I know what. I don't think Oh, I
Got 5 seconds.
Oh,
5.
A disc.
Close.
Yeah,
It's a
I
disc.
know.
Franco, do you want to guess what this is?
Yeah, it's a disc.
He just said disc. What else? What do you think it is?
Inside is the song.
Okay, inside is the song. That's correct. Inside this thing is a song. But what is this thing called?
What is it called? Like, what is the...
The name?
5.
Guns and Roses.
No.
That's the name of the artist. But see, you open this
What is this? What is this thing, Franco?
It is a disc.
No, I guess. Yeah, what is that, Franco?
It's the song.
Yes, so this song, okay, so I'll tell you what this is called right after you guys figure out how to put this song into this radio.
No, I already know.
Okay, show me.
We like put it in right here, I think.
See to put it in there. Can
And
I?
then we close this.
No, you're gonna break it, look.
Oh, wait, and then put
Wait,
it back.
hold on.
Look, can I do it?
Wait, we're doing it right now.
See, this is what happens when you guys don't know how to use something. Now, the song is stuck in here because you put it in incorrectly. Now, I actually don't know if you can get this out.
Yeah, you just so.
We'll be right back. So, Franco, you want to try to
I
get
see
this
now.
music or this song into this radio?
Yeah.
Now, let's see.
No, don't put it. Just put it in. Try to put it in.
Oh, look, he figured it out. He's more clever than you, Logan. Good job. Yes.
I just got it.
Yeah, you do it. So you slide it into that slot. Good job.
then
Okay,
we-
so and then now how do you get music? Wait. Hold on. First, we got to plug it in, right?
I'm gonna get
So
the
it's
charger.
not plugged in. There we
I'm
go.
gonna get the charger.
Right here. No, we have the charger, right?
Yeah.
Ba.
So not everything is called a charger, but this is called a plug. So the
Yeah.
plug goes
pluggy.
in, right?
A pluggy.
Okay.
Let's
Then
go.
we press
It's co-
play.
No, that's rewind. No, it's pause. So you almost had it. This is the stop button. Good. Okay. Good job. All right. So now eject the okay. Perfect. So now I'll tell you what this is called. This is called a cassette tape.
What's a cassette?
Oh yeah.
So this is a tape, a cassette tape.
Can I
And
put
mommy
it-
and daddy, actually before my time, people would use these. You gotta slide it in like this, right?
And then we can do the ultimate.
All right. So I hope you guys enjoy this week's episode of
What is that thing?
See you next time. Bye bye.